Hey guys, found this quick hits explosion. Put 20 bucks in, 5-cent denomination, 40 credits. So that's $2 a spin. It's actually the first quick hits I've seen that you don't have to have max bet to win the numbers up ahead above. So figured, why not? Let's give it 10 spins, see what happens. A little $3 win right there. A lot of sevens. Ooh, that's a nice $13.75. Another 50 cents. Some quick hits, but nothing there. Come on, Shannon. Nope. 1-2 FU. I'm getting a few extra spins out of it, but it looks like it's not gonna go well. One more spin after this. Oh, let's do the wager saver. Won that, that's good. Oh, there we go. Kept me alive for a little bit longer, $7.75 win. Ooh, that's nice. I guess that's their shaky. And we hit the bonus. Awesome. Okay, so we get to pick our volatility. I think I'm actually gonna go mystery. Well, that's good. One that was better than your average. 7. 350 cents. Oh, I see. Quick hits as they land. That's good. Remember, we're on 5-cent denomination, so that's $2.50. Bars for days. Little win. Ooh, lots of wilds. Cherries? No? Got a quick hit for 50 cents. Sevens. Ooh, there's some quick hits. We still got the quick hits. It's good. Still got 13 more games to go. 12 more. More quick hits, some wilds. Re-trigger would be nice. I don't even know if this has that. Some sevens are nice. A little bit more. Halfway through our free games. Nothing. Some bars. Nope. Denied. Oh, there we go. $2. More quick hits. Some sevens and quick hits. Bells? Nope. No bells. Sevens and more quick hits. I guess when I rapid fire it just hits more. Ooh, there we go. Nice little one. Up to 88.25. Two more. A little bit more. Some bars. And last spin. Some more bars. $99 win. It's not bad. Considering I was just doing a wager saver, I'll take it. Take that any day. Alright, let's do some backup spins. Oh, there we go, sevens. More sevens. More sevens and quick hits. There you go. 5 quick hits. That's $10. Normally I just do a couple backup spins, more quick hits. Some sevens, quick hits. All right, so very normally I would say just do a couple of backup spins, but my backup spins keep winning, so I'm just gonna keep playing until I'm done. Either down to probably, right now I'm at 116.50. Just $2 bets. No, give it like, I'll just keep doing like 2 or 3 spins and see where it goes, but I'm not gonna go below 100. I'm gonna try to set my camera here where it's more steady and I'm not holding it. So I hope this will be less shaky for you guys. Just a little bit more. Look at that. Another 5 quick hits. Backup spins. It's $12.75 right there. Ooh, growing. And 50 cents. That's how it goes, isn't it? Alright, so I think I'm going to change up my bet a little.
I'm going to change my bet to $4.
Try a couple of these.
Not always a smart thing to do.
So I'm going to keep my $100.
Alright, one more spin. That's it.
And
I'm going to cash out.
That's out.
$20 to 101.
Hit that little bell notification.